Hey there guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create a reel directly from your Instagram story memories. So open up Instagram, the first thing you want to do of course, and then go to your profile. So go here. So you have different memories from Instagram that you have posted on your highlights, and if you open it up you can see the little create button right over here. Click it. So once you click it, wait for a minute just for it to load, you can add different songs to it, any of your choosing. Click next. Of course you can edit the clip as a normal reel here, you can add clips, you can pause it, so you know what you're doing, and afterwards you can add stickers, effects, and all the good stuff pretty much. And just click next. And once you finish with sharing to your feed, Facebook if you want to, adding location and tagging people, clicking next and clicking share, you have basically created your first reel from your highlights. And that's pretty much it. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time. Have fun!